Hello, today I'm going to take you on the Greenway Recreational Trail, which is located in Burlington, Vermont. That's between New Hampshire and New York in the New England region. And I'll zoom in. We're going to be going right here to Burlington. It's right on Lake Champlain. And we're going to follow this bike trail, which heads all the way up to Hero Island, which is right here. So this whole trail is about 8 or 9 miles. I started right here in the middle. First I headed south. It doesn't take long. There's so many things to see along the way. Every single spot was a great place to take a picture. There was a dog park, there was a skate park, there's some viewing places where people would just sit on the park benches and look out at the beautiful lake. It's a nice wide trail. There's birds everywhere that sound beautiful. There's railroad bridges that have been converted over for the rail trail, and everything just really looks spectacular. They just spent $16 million in 2022 to fix this whole trail, and it really is just beautiful. It's got to be the best in New England. And there's plenty of restaurants down here on this end. You could get off of the bike track and you can go up and see the college. It's a college town. You could go out to eat. There's plenty of parks nearby. There's museums. There's historic sites. There's plenty of things to do. They have sightseeing and they have dinner cruise on boats. There's lots of things that you can do down here in this section. And then if you wanted to stay overnight, an inexpensive way of doing that is staying at the North Beach campground. It was right off the rail trail. It was reasonably priced. The spots were a little bit close together, but you could walk right over to the beach. The beach has a restaurant, has bathrooms. Of course, the campground has bathrooms as well, and showers. The showers were hot. No complaints there. They have a little store there. You can get some popcorn. You can get some wood. But the beach was great. It also had some picnic tables and places where you could sit and eat. People were stringing up hammocks on the trees, and it was very clean, neat. There was a lot of seagulls, though, I'd say that. And then on the next day, I went up and I headed north, and this is all beautiful here. A lot of birding going on, people walking, taking pictures, and there's runners, there's bikers, there's walkers, there's people walking babies, there's toddlers riding on this trail. It's completely safe. It's all flat. It's amply wide. I'd say probably 12 feet wide. Every section of it is nice. There's not a section that's rough. Some of it's dirt, some of it's road. Sometimes you have to cross the street and go through a neighborhood and get to go to a park, and you can go around the park, and then you'll find the trail. They're all well marked. And then once you get to the causeway part, this is like a big berm that they made in between the lake, and you could see on both sides people are fishing there. I guess there was a big storm that knocked it all out, and they just repaired the whole thing, so you can see some remnants of the old railroad that was there. So it's really a great place to be, great place to bike. It can be done in 45 minutes, or you could take your time. There's no bathrooms or any water or any stores on this end. The only place that you could get something to eat would be down back at the North Beach where that restaurant was. Everything else is just through neighborhoods and through parks, and then finally out onto the causeway. I did not get to go over the ferry onto Hero Island, but I understand that there's a lot more trails on Hero Island, which I didn't get to do. I hope to do another time. It was definitely worth going to see. This is a great resource for everyone to enjoy. So I hope that you found this helpful, and I hope to see you out on the trails. Thank you.